Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the White-Winged Tern Info Card in Heartopia for the Fashion Wave event, for the Call of Whales Fashion event. So you'll see them around the Whale Mountain. You see there's one in front of me. So this is what they look like, the White-Winged Terns. I'm just going to take a picture. I actually already took a picture before, like for the bird info card. So I'm just going to hopefully be able to take a picture of it again for my thumbnail as per usual. So by the way, these birds, they don't have like a time frame and like a weather. Whoops. Oh my gosh, why are you hidden there, honey? Can't take a picture of you like this. There we go. And that is where you can find the white-winged tern in Heartopia. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!